planes for a second day are sparking flickers of hope in the search for the missing submersible. A team of experts is trying to figure out where they're coming from.
Human sounds, nature sounds, and it's very difficult to discern what the source of those noises are at times.
The Coast Guard also can't rule out the sounds could be coming from the Titanic itself.
It's the wreck site of the Titanic, so there is a lot of metal and different objects in the water around this site.
The search area is now 2 times the size of Connecticut and up to 2.5 miles deep, deeper than stacking nearly 9 Empire State Buildings. With potentially just hours to go before the Titan's 5 passengers run out of oxygen, at least 8 more rescue ships are joining the international effort, and a French deep diving robot that can operate on the ocean floor is set to arrive tonight.
This is a search and rescue mission, 100%.